what you gonna do for spring break?
I'm gonna stay home, but I really want to go to Great Wolf Lodge.
I would want to go to Great Wolf Lodge too. So, hey Michael, what you gonna do for spring break?
I'm gonna go to Canada.
Are you sure?
No.
Do you want to go to Canada?
Yes.
What will you do in Canada?
Eat Canadian bacon.
You mean ham.
In Canada, they call it Canadian bacon.
Okay, bye.
Hello.
Hey Shazam, Sam the Weatherman, what are you gonna do for spring break?
I'm going chilling in the 46 degrees of Washington.
Okay then, bye. Hey Dave, what are you gonna do for spring break?
Stay home when I want to go to California.
I actually went to California. It was fun, really hot. I got a bunch of sunburns. Well then, that's too much information. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Hey Jeff, what are you gonna do for spring break?
Play?
What are you gonna play? Do you like football?
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hey Haley, what are you gonna do for spring break?
Nothing really.
What do you want to do for spring break?
Kind of just relax and read and get my AR points.
What do you want to do that's active?
Oh, like play outside with my friends, like Foursquare.
Who are your friends?
Tessa.